here we are. We have this function sum, and this function receives three parameters a, b, and c. I will remove this code, and also I will say return 0 for now. Now let's create first decision making using if statement. I will use if keyword. Then I will open the parentheses. I will set here my condition, like if a equal b. And this is how to use the logical or relational operators. If a equal b, then I will open the curly brackets and close it. Inside the curly brackets, I can write the code, which should be executed in case of this is true. I will do, for example, first of all, let's define a variable here. I will say integer result. That's it. I have variable and the data type is integer. I will be using this variable inside the if statement. If a equal to b, then I need the result to be a plus b. Now, else I can write else direct, and inside the curly brackets also, if a not equal to b, then I need the result to be a minus b, for example. And I can have also another if statement like else if, and inside the parentheses I will say if a greater than b, I need to do, for example, result equal a multiplied by b. Now this is the first check, and this is the second, and this is the third. I can simply just do the decision making using this one, and also I can have a decision making without else statement, and also I can have it with only one if and default statement. I will keep this for instance now. Now because we are receiving a values here as a parameter, we need to set the values. For instance, let's say a equal 1 and b equal 2 and c equal 3. And now let's see what the result will be. First of all, the compiler will come and check if a equal b, 1 equal 2, no. So the compiler will go to this. If a greater than b, so 1 greater than 2, no. So else this will be applied. Let's have another else if. For example, a less than or equal b. Then I will do something like result will be a divided by b. So again, the compiler will found this false, and this is also false. This one is less than or equal b, yes. So the compiler will execute this statement and will finish the decision making here. Now let's create another decision making using the switch statement. I will remove the if statement and I will create a switch statement using the keyword switch, and then inside the parentheses I will set the expression. Let's say that we are going to do the decision making based on c value, and I will open and close the curly brackets, and then I have to define the cases by simply use the keyword case, then my expression to be checked like 1 and then 2 dots, and then enter to write the code. Like for example, in case of 1, So I need to say that result will be equal to A multiplied by B, semicolon, and then I have to add break. I can write multiple lines of code here, like for example, I need again to set the result to be equal to, for example, A divided by B. For instance, just I want to show you that I can write as much as I want lines of code. Now, next case will be like case, for example, 2 dots, enter, and let's say that result will be equal to A divided by B, and then break, semicolon, and then I can go and define the next case, for example, case 3, and enter, and then let's say that result will be A plus B, and break, and then sorry, I have to end the line by semicolon here, and then I can, for example, say default will be like this, default, then 2 dots, then I can write the code. For example, I don't want to do anything, break. Now let's understand how the compiler will execute this switch statement. The compiler will find this expression C. C is 3. Then we'll come to the cases. The first case is 1. Is 3 same as 1? No. So the compiler will jump into the next case. The next case is 2. Is 3 similar to 2? No. The compiler will jump into the next. 3. Is 3 similar to 3? Yes. Then this code will be executed and the result will be A plus B. And then we'll find the break in order to finish the execution of this decision making. What if we change this value to 4? The compiler will come, this will be failed, this will be also failed, and this will be failed. Then the compiler will execute the default. The default here is just a break statement, means that okay, just finish the switch statement here. And I can write code here also, like result equal, for example, A subtract B. That's it. So this is how we can define the or how we can create the decision making in C# using if statement and switch statement.